Namaste students. We are moving on to trigonometric identities. So these trigonometric identities are based on Pythagoras theorem. So consider a triangle ABC. Let this angle be theta. So we know that sine theta is equal to AB by AC, cos theta is equal to BC by AC, tan theta is equal to AB by BC. And similarly, the other three trigonometric ratios as we have seen before. So by Pythagoras theorem, we have AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square. Sum of the squares of the other two sides is equal to square of the hypotenuse. So let this equation be the first equation. So dividing the first equation by AC square, we have AB square by AC square plus BC square by AC square is equal to AC square by AC square. So AC square gets cancelled here. So we have AB by AC whole square plus BC by AC whole square. So what is AB by AC here? Sine theta. What is BC by AC? Cos theta. So this is sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So this is your first identity. So first identity says that sine square theta plus cos square theta is always equal to 1 whatever the value of theta may be. So the thing is, we are taking the Pythagoras theorem and dividing the equation by AC square. So you will get the first identity. Similarly, you will get the second and third identity by dividing the same equation, first equation, by BC square and AB square respectively. So divide this first equation by BC square. We'll have AB square by BC square plus BC square by BC square is equal to AC square by BC square. So the corresponding values will be 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. Try that as I have tried the first identity. Similarly, the third identity will be when you divide the first equation by AB square, you will get the third identity 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So you have three identities. Sine square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So here we can replace 1 by these formats. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. So 1 can be replaced by secant square theta minus tan square theta, taking this tan square theta to the other side. So similarly, 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So 1 can be replaced by cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. So first identity, straight away you can say sin square theta plus cos square theta instead of 1. So these are the replacements we'll be using in the exercise. Moving on to the exercise. Express sin A, secant A and tan A in terms of cot A. So I'm taking the identity cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. We have already seen that 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. So what is cosecant theta? Square root of 1 plus cot square theta. So what is cosecant theta? Reciprocal of sin theta, right? So 1 by sin A is equal to root of 1 plus cot square A, or sin A is equal to 1 by root of 1 plus cot square A. So we have written sin A in terms of cot A. So take it as first equation. So for second one, we have to express secant A in terms of cot A. So we know that secant square A is equal to 1 plus tan square A from the identity. So secant A is equal to square root of 1 plus tan square A. So tan square A can be written as 1 by cot square A because tan A is equal to 1 by cot A. So tan and cot are reciprocals of each other. So taking LCM, we have cot square A plus 1 by cot square A. Secant A is written as in terms of cot A. So tan A we have to write in terms of cot A. So we know that tan A is equal to 1 by cot A straight away. Second one, I want you to try it on your own. Express all the trigonometric ratios in terms of secant A. Third one, evaluate. First subdivision you have to do it on your own using complementary ratios. So second one I'm trying it. Second, sine 25 cos 65 plus cos 25 sine 65. So I can write 25 as 90 minus 65, right? So sine 90 minus 65 cos 65 plus cos 90 minus 65 sine 65. So what is sine 90 minus theta? Cos theta. So cos 65 again, plus cos 90 minus 65 is sine 65 again. So what is cos 65 into cos 65? Cos square 65 plus sin 65 into sin 65, sin square 65. So we have cos square theta plus sin square theta, where theta is same 65 degrees. So cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Fourth question, first subdivision, 9 secant square theta minus 9 tan square theta we have to find. So I'll take the 9 commonly outside. We have secant square theta minus tan square theta, which is 1, because secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1 from this identity. So 9 into 1 is 9. Second subdivision, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. We have to find the value of this. So I'm multiplying 1 by 1 here, taking 1 to this bracket. 1 into 1, 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta, multiplying 1 to all the terms. Then tan theta to all the terms. Tan theta into 1 tan theta plus tan theta into cot theta minus secant theta into cosecant theta. Sorry, minus tan theta into cosecant theta. Similarly, multiplying secant theta to this bracket, secant theta plus secant theta cot theta minus secant theta cosecant theta. So I have multiplied all the 3 terms with the 3 terms here. So we have to simplify. 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta I am taking as it is, tan theta, plus I am writing cot theta as 1 by tan theta. So it is tan theta into 1 by tan theta, minus I am writing sin theta as tan theta as sin theta by cos theta into cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta, plus secant theta, plus secant theta is 1 by cos theta into cot theta is cos theta by sin theta. It is reciprocal of tan theta, right? Minus secant theta into cosecant theta I am keeping as it is. So here sin theta gets cancelled. Here tan theta gets cancelled. Cos theta gets cancelled. So simplifying, we have 2 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta, because it is 1 by sin theta here. So minus cosecant theta plus tan theta minus secant theta plus secant theta, because here it is 1 by cos theta secant theta. Here 1 by sin theta is cosecant theta, plus cosecant theta minus secant theta into cosecant theta. So 2 plus cot theta minus plus tan theta minus secant theta into cos theta, because cosecant theta gets cancelled, secant theta gets cancelled. So I'm writing cot theta as cos theta by sin theta and tan theta as sin theta by cos theta, minus secant theta cosecant theta. So taking LCM for these 2 terms, we have cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta plus sin square theta divided by sin theta cos theta minus secant theta cosecant theta. I can write secant theta as 1 by cos theta and cosecant theta as 1 by sin theta. So this is 2 plus 1 by sin theta cos theta minus 1 by sin theta cos theta gets cancelled, because cos square theta plus sin square theta again is equal to 1. So 2 plus 0 is 2 here.